Hi, it's Tony from TMK Machinery, and like you might see from the background, we have some exciting news for you. It has been another solid year for us, and the growth has continued. This, of course, brings with it some positive problems, and the most notable for us has been that the production side needs some additional space to keep up with the increasing demand. As our long-term strategy is to grow and offer more and more efficient tools for our valued customers, it is now time to publish our new factory expansion project. This expansion has been in the works on the background for some time now, and during last winter we built this cold storage to make sure we get some additional storage space that we much needed on the production side. And as the growth has continued even from there, now it's time to expand the factory itself to make sure we're in a position to answer the growing demand also in the ongoing years. With this expansion, our production facilities roughly double from the current 1,500 square meters to the new 3,000 square meters. We will also re-optimize our production line to make sure that we can efficiently produce also the new, little bit bigger products, such as the TMK Multigrab L. And we also have some new ideas on the background. If they work like we believe they do, more products and product lines will follow. We will also install a second robot welder, which is a little bit bigger than the current one we have. With this new, little bit bigger robot, we make sure that we can weld all the high volume parts with robots without the current size limitations that we have. The second robot also helps us minimize the production delays in case of a technical fault in one of the robots. But that's enough background for this expansion. Now let's see what we have been able to do in the past week or so. The old asphalt has been dug up and most of the groundworks for the foundation of this new building has been done. The main sewer lines are dug over there and they're waiting for the final piping, which will happen a little bit closer to the final floor concrete pouring later on. Also, we just got the first shipment of the steel frames, so that assembly will most probably start already next week. The concrete has been poured into these boxes for the foundation for the steel frames, and the electrics will come through the old factory, so that those will be wired a little bit later on. For the past week or so, a lot of groundworks have been done, the excavators have been busy, and a lot of gravel trucks have been in and out the yard on a constant basis. It's very interesting to see how the yard changes every day and the new building starts to take its shape. We will post frequently update videos like this one, so make sure to follow up and see how the project develops. The plan is to make everything ready on November, December to make sure we get some help all ready for this upcoming season. But that's all for this time. Thank you for watching. Until next time.